Hello, I've received this really lovely kinetic sculpture, and in this video I'm going to do a review of how simple it is to actually put the sculpture together and to demonstrate how it works and what it looks like once it has been assembled. So please carry on watching and you will see how my husband put the sculpture together. As you can see, the sculpture arrived beautifully packaged within 2 boxes. So the box that the sculpture is in, as you're looking at the video right now, and it was also packaged inside of another box, keeping the components completely safe and secure. So as you can see in the video, my husband is taking out all the pieces and just putting them on the table in front of him. Everything you need to be able to build this sculpture is in the box, so you get all the little tools. However, you will need to use a drill to secure it to the wall. You also get this lovely template. So my husband's just looking at the template. It also comes with, as you can see there, a little spirit level. I was also very kindly sent an instructional video, a short video, to show us how exactly to put it together. This is a 2022 Vol kinetic sculpture design. It's a plastic clockwork artwork within a running time of 4 hours, and I will insert a picture here for you. As you will see now, my husband is going to hold the template up on the wall and just secure it with a little bit of tape just before marking up exactly where he needs to be drilling the holes. So now he's just pushing in a screwdriver or something anyway, just to sort of make an indentation on the wall where he needs to be drilling. And now, as per the instructions, he's just putting the little spindle things, the little black spindles or the arms, into the setting and screwing them in. There is a front and a back to do with this, so you will see both sides being done, like front and back. So the material is a PP and ABS plastic with a runtime of 4+ hours each time the spring has been activated. The diameter of the sculpture is 700 by 700 by 150 depth millimeters. And delivery is within 7 to 14 days to the USA or to Europe. As you can see here, my husband is now working on the second part of the sculpture, so it really is very simple to put together. The sculpture does actually come as a bulk order to reduce the transportation costs, so you will need to install it yourself according to, as I've already said, really good instructions. However, the core parts have already been assembled, making it easy to assemble yourself. And the other thing I'd like to mention now is if you do need to speak to anyone, the customer service is absolutely fantastic and always available to assist you. So now both parts have been completed. My husband's just getting ready to pop the main bulk of the sculpture onto the wall. He has already drilled the holes according to the template. My husband's showing you now one of the little tubings that fits onto the spindles in a particular order. So now my husband is just assembling the different layers and the tubing to build the sculpture up as per the instructions. Securing everything, tightening everything up as he puts the sculpture together. And then securing it with the knob that goes on to the front, and then just giving it a spin, ready for it to start to rotate. And now complete, you can see the beauty of the sculpture. It is mesmerising, yet simply beautiful at the same time. We love it.